Have you ever wondered how basketballs are made? The answer to that question takes us into the intriguing world of basketball manufacturing, a place where precision and craftsmanship collide. The humble basketball, that iconic orange orb, is more than just a piece of sports equipment. It's the heart and soul of a game loved by millions around the globe. The creation of a basketball is a carefully choreographed dance between man and machine. It's a process that demands the utmost attention to detail, as each basketball must meet rigorous standards to ensure it performs flawlessly on the court. The journey of a basketball from raw materials to the finished product is a fascinating one. It's a blend of high-tech machinery and skilled manual labor, a testament to the art and science of sports manufacturing. Intrigued yet? Stick around to find out more about this fascinating process. We promise it's a slam dunk of a story. So how does a basketball come to life? It all starts with a rubber inner bladder. This humble piece of rubber is the heart of your basketball, the core that gives it bounce and keeps it in shape. It's carefully crafted by workers who test it for air pressure, ensuring it's just right. Picture this, a little rubber balloon that's about to become something much greater. Once the bladder is inflated to the perfect pressure, it's placed into a spherical mold. This isn't just any mold, mind you. This is a carefully calibrated tool, the key to making sure each basketball is consistent in size and shape. It's here that our bladder begins to take on the form we all recognize, the form that makes the game of basketball possible. So now we have a shape, but a basketball is more than just a rubber ball, isn't it? Stay tuned to find out what comes next in the life of a basketball. What gives a basketball its distinctive look and feel? The answer lies in its leather covering. Let's dive into this fascinating process. It all starts with a high-quality leather, which is precisely cut into interlocking panels. Each panel is meticulously measured and cut to ensure a perfect fit around the basketball's rubber bladder. Once the panels are cut, they're expertly stitched together, forming a patchwork that cloaks the bladder. It's a task that requires a keen eye and a steady hand, as each stitch has to be perfect to create a seamless covering. This leather wrapping not only provides the basketball with its iconic look, but it also gives the ball its unique texture. This texture is what allows players to grip the ball firmly, enabling those breathtaking shots and passes we all admire. Moreover, the leather covering is responsible for the ball's distinct bounce. It's this bounce that adds another layer of complexity to the game, making every dribble, pass, and shot a test of skill and precision. So now we have a proper basketball, but we aren't done yet. Ever noticed the lines on a basketball? They aren't just for decoration. These lines, or channels, are carefully added to the ball's surface. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about function. These channels provide players with a better grip, making dribbling, passing, and shooting a whole lot smoother. Now, the ball isn't quite ready yet. After the channels are added, the ball goes through a polishing process. It's buffed until it has that iconic, shiny finish we all know and love. But it doesn't end there. Each and every ball undergoes rigorous quality checks. They're bounced, squeezed, and inspected meticulously. Each ball must meet a strict set of standards before it's deemed ready for the court. Weight, circumference, bounce, and grip are all scrutinized to ensure the ball's consistency and performance. And there you have it, a brand new basketball ready to hit the court. From a rubber bladder to a polished, game-ready ball, the journey of a basketball is quite remarkable. We've taken a deep dive into the world of basketball manufacturing, tracing the life of a basketball from its humble beginnings as a simple rubber bladder inflated to the perfect pressure. We've explored the meticulous process of wrapping this bladder in layers of nylon and polyester for structure and bounce, and we've witnessed the artistry of the leather cover, cut and stitched to perfection, providing that familiar texture we all know and love. But let's not forget, this intricate process is a dance between man and machine, a blend of automated precision and skilled craftsmanship. It's not just a factory process, it's a labor of love. Next time you shoot a hoop, remember the journey that basketball has been on. And if you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes peeks at your favorite sports gear. Until next time, keep playing.